Get ready to mark your calendars for a celestial event that will leave you absolutely breathless. On February 17th, 2026, our sun is going to do something truly spectacular. It's going to transform into a perfect, glowing ring of fire in the sky. This isn't science fiction. It's a real, rare, and incredible phenomenon known as an annular solar eclipse. So, what exactly is an annular solar eclipse, and why is it called the Ring of Fire? Let's break it down. You've probably heard of a total solar eclipse, where the moon completely blocks out the sun, plunging day into an eerie twilight. An annular eclipse is a little different, but just as mesmerizing. It happens when the moon passes directly between the Earth and the sun, just like in a total eclipse. However, during an annular eclipse, the moon is at or near the farthest point in its orbit from Earth. Because it's farther away, it appears slightly smaller in our sky. It's not quite big enough to cover the sun completely. The result, as the moon slides in front of the sun, it won't create total darkness. Instead, it will leave a brilliant, blazing ring of sunlight visible all around its dark silhouette. This is the Ring of Fire. Imagine looking up and seeing the dark disk of the moon perfectly centered on the sun, with the sun's fiery corona peeking out from all sides, creating a perfect celestial halo. It's an unforgettable sight, a moment where the cosmos puts on one of its most dramatic shows. This event is a beautiful display of what we call cosmic geometry. The orbits of the Earth and the Moon are not perfect circles, they're ellipses. This means their distances from each other and from the Sun are constantly changing. For an annular eclipse to happen, everything has to line up perfectly. The Sun, the Moon and the Earth must be in a straight line, a syzygy at the exact time when the Moon is far enough away in its orbit to appear smaller than the Sun. It's a delicate cosmic ballet, a reminder of how precise and interconnected our solar system is. Even a tiny variation would mean we'd miss the show. Now, a very important note about safety, because the sun is never fully covered during an annular eclipse. It is never safe to look directly at it without proper eye protection. You can't just use regular sunglasses, no matter how dark they are. Staring at even a tiny sliver of the sun or the brilliant ring of fire can cause permanent eye damage. You'll need certified solar eclipse glasses or a special solar filter for your telescope or binoculars. You can also create a simple pinhole projector to safely watch the eclipse's shadow. Safety first, so you can enjoy this amazing event without any risks. Where can you see this incredible 2026 Ring of Fire? The path of annularity, where the full ring effect will be visible, will be a narrow band across the Earth's surface. On February 17th, 2026, this path will sweep across the very southern tip of South America, cross the Atlantic Ocean, and make its way over parts of Antarctica. So, for the dedicated eclipse chasers, it might mean a trip to some pretty remote and beautiful locations. But for the rest of us, even if we're not in the direct path, we may still be able to see a partial solar eclipse, where the moon takes a bite out of the sun, And of course, there will be countless live streams from astronomers and space agencies around the world, so no one has to miss out. Events like these are more than just pretty sights. They connect us to the universe on a profound level. They remind us that we are part of a vast, dynamic cosmos that is constantly in motion. For centuries, eclipses have inspired awe, wonder, and even fear, shaping cultures and scientific understanding. They push us to ask big questions about our place in the universe. The 2026 Ring of Fire is another opportunity to look up, feel that sense of wonder, and appreciate the grand celestial mechanics at play. So get ready for February 17th, 2026. Whether you plan to travel to see the full ring or watch online from home, it's a date with the cosmos you won't want to miss. A day when the sun wears a crown of fire just for us. If you love exploring the wonders of space and want to keep your mind fueled beyond its limits, you're in the right place. Thanks for joining us on the Cosmic Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another journey into the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.